So what you can also do is you can easily make CVs by using Microsoft Copilot. So I'm going to go around and say, my name is Pratik Pradhan right here, and I have a master's degree in multimedia, and I want you to make my CV. I have 10 years of experience, and I also run the YouTube channel TutorTube right here, just like this. So let me just go around over here and say TutorTube right here, just like this. So once I go around and do that, you can see that it goes around and generates out a CV right here, just like this. So now it is actually generating out an outline of my CV right here, just like this. So it is so it has, let's say for example, master's degree in multimedia, but the university name is not there because I didn't provide that information. So you can see that this is what you have right here. So now what I'm going to go around and say to make a complete CV itself, I'm not going to worry about adding in other like fillers right here. But if I want to use formatting for the CV, I'm going to say make this CV in HTML format in A4 size paper. Make sure to highlight important keywords, use different colors, background colors to make it look attractive, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and give this prompt right here. So what I can do is I can go around and then tell Copilot to actually go around and reformat this in HTML itself, just like this. So now you can see that this is what you have right here. It starts using out contents right here, background color and everything as I say right here. So it does take a bit of time, so you got to wait. And once that is done, you can see that this is done now. So now what you need to do is you need to go around over here and copy out this particular code right here, just like this. So this is what you have. It added into sections, as you can see right here, and add more sections as required, as it says right here. So let me just go around and copy this and paste out this code right here. And then I'm going to go around and save this, and on my desktop I'm going to go to all files and save it out as cv.html right here. It didn't generate out all of the contents right here as above, but I can ask it to and it'll generate it. But over here you can see that I got the CV. So if I were to go around and paste it, you can see that this is what you have right here. This is how it generated. So I'm just going to go around over here onto Copilot and say I'm going to stop it and say generate HTML file with all of the contents that you added in the first message right here, just like this. So once I go around over here and do that, what happens is that it'll generate out the HTML document again. So here it says below is the HTML code for your CV, including all the sections we discussed earlier right here. So let's just go around and wait for this to actually go around and then generate. So now over here you can see that it completed generating this out right here with all of the contents, and this is what I'm going to replace in the file. So let me just go around and copy this out right here, and I have the CV opened up right here, cv.html. So let me just go around and replace it and just simply save it right here. So once I go around and do that, I have the tab opened up right here. Let me just go around and refresh, and now you can see all of the contents right here, just like this. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that this is an A4 size paper. So if I were to go around and print it, then you can see that this is what you have. So now I'm going to go around over here onto portrait mode right here, just like this, and you can see that this is what you have right here, and you can go ahead and print it out as well. So this is how you can go around and then generate out CVs by using Microsoft Copilot right here. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.